What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Skiing without eye protection is like eyeing without ski protection. I didn't just make up that saying. That was said by a wise philosopher, maybe Aristotle or something. Listen, just picked up these Velazzio ski goggles. Wanted to check them out because I thought the price point on them was right, and they kind of look the business. If you want to go out skiing and look like you know what you're doing, there's no better way than getting a nice pair of ski goggles. And on top of that, you want to be safe. It is one of these things when you go out skiing, man. I know when you get out there, you adapt to it pretty quickly. It feels like you're just crushing it. You get back to the lodge, you've got sunburn all over you. You can't see anything. You've got blue streaks and retina burns. It's painful. So be prepared. Go out. Also hydrate up. Velazzio, you get this nice little microfiber or nylon bag and the glasses inside here. And what I really like about these is, like I said, they look the business. These are spherical ski goggles which make you look like a shredder, and you can see here Velazzio on a stretchy, really big, like almost maybe an inch and a half, inch and 3/4 inch band here, so it'll fit in the slot on most ski helmets, protective helmets, so you don't lose it. Obviously it's very adjustable to your head size. The other thing I really like about these is that they are considered OTG, I believe. So over the glasses, if you wear prescription glasses like mine, you can see we have like a TPU plastic frame and then some really thick foam here so that your glasses would go, the bar of your glasses would fit in here and so they wouldn't get pressed against your head. And you can even see there's a little extra cutout here so that the side of your glasses, the hinges, will fit in there without pressing on things. And then as you can see there, we get nice protection. We'll remove that film before use. But everything looks pretty nice. Now I want to show you here because we have an unlock and a lock icon there, and that is basically to get the lenses off. Ooh, I like all the venting up at the top, and then down on the bottom too, we got venting. So let's take a look at this lock. So if I slide this slider up here to this unlock, what that has done now is released the side of this lens. And if I go over to this side, so we've got the same thing on this side, I'm gonna go up here, release this one, and now look at that, this lens can pop free basically. And I'm just gonna kind of squeeze this down and get my finger under there, and look at that sucker, it just comes out. And the nice thing about this is you can pick up some other lenses. Maybe you don't like this blue Revo style lens, you want a clear lens or a yellow lens, whatever. These are removable, replaceable lenses. I absolutely love that because you can really customize these. I mean, if you ski in the morning, you might want a clear lens or a dark, or adverse conditions. You might not care about like that UV protection or filtering out the light, but you ski during the midday like most of us do. Before we do our après ski, you can, use a lens like this or something kind of even darker if you want it, really. So now I'll pull off that. Don't clean these by rubbing your finger on them. You want to use the right material so that you don't scratch it or smudge it, because it's not like snorkeling where kind of vision just needs to be okay. So you can see in here, man, just a nice pair of glasses. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap all this back in here. Let's just go ahead and get that in. I'm gonna be a little ginger about it. You can probably force these in here a little bit quicker than I'm doing. And then you slide that down to lock it in. And then press this in here. Just make sure all that's in there. Slide that down, lock it in. And now I don't have to worry about these things falling out. And now I say, let's get on the lifts, get to the top of the mountain, shred some snow, and see how these things do. Woo! Just crushing it out here. Pretty peaceful. Love the winter. And I love keeping my eyes protected, stylish, and warm. These glasses are awesome. These goggles are sweet. I do have my regular glasses on underneath them, so able to see clearly on everything. I love that they come in a little pouch so that I can pack these bad boys up, and I think just an amazing deal. So if you want some pretty sick goggles to make yourself look like you belong on the mountain, you should definitely pick these up because they won't set you back a lot either. Put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.